from a window 60 meter high above the ground of a house in a street. From a window 60 meter high above the ground of a house in a street, the angle of elevation and depression. The angles of elevation and depression of the top and foot of another house on opposite side of the street are 60 degree and 45 degree. 60 and 45 degree. The height of the opposite house is, prove that height of the opposite house is 6 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Okay. Question again. From a window 60 meters high above the ground of a house in a street, the angles of elevation and depression of the top and foot of another house on opposite side of the street are 60 degree and 45 degree. Show that height of the opposite house is 60 into root 3 plus 1. 60 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, try now. Okay, draw the figure. Okay, getting? Hello. It's like just like your window is 60 meters above the ground. You saw the opposite house at an angle of elevation is 60 degree. Opposite house base is 45 degree. Then what is the height? Height is 60 into root 3 plus 1. Here the figure, look at here. Just not getting, listen here. Okay, this is the ground. AB, the ground. This is the building, your window. AC, 60 meter height. This is the opposite building. This type, many questions we discussed. Here, the angle of elevation of the top of the opposite house is 60 degree. This one is 60 degree. The base 45 degree. Then, if it is 45, okay, this one 60. Figure okay? Now, tan 45 equal to 60 divided by CD. So CD equal to 60. This is 60. Then tan 60 equal to CD divided by 60. CD equal to 60 root 3. So this one is 60 root 3. So total what? 60 plus 60 root 3. That means 60 times 1 plus root 3. Okay? For all got? Okay. So Bhavan, which subject test going on now? Today you have test? Tania. Okay. So Monday, Monday is maths, right? No, Tuesday. Yeah, first four chapters: number system, then polynomials, linear, and quadratic, right or no? Okay, so Bhavan's no need to write the test, tomorrow's test. Okay, application test, no need to write it. You can prepare your chapters. Okay, hello, all Bhavans. You can prepare your test portions. No need to write the application questions. Okay. So if in case you have doubts in the test portion, just send it. Okay. So next question. Okay, listen. This is all okay. This is actually a dummy questions. Real question is coming now. Okay. Anyone have doubt? Okay. So next one. From a window. Next question. From a window. H meter high above the ground. From a window. H meter high above the ground. From a window H meter high above the ground of a house in a street. From a window H meter high above the ground of a house in a street. The angle of elevation and depression. The angle of elevation and depression of the top and foot of another house. The angle of elevation of the top and foot of another house on opposite side of the street. On opposite side of the street are alpha and beta. Angle of elevation is alpha, depression is beta. Show that the height of the opposite houses. H into 1 plus tan alpha into cot beta. Okay. H into 1 plus tan alpha. H into 1 plus tan alpha into cot beta. Okay. Exactly previous question. Okay. The previous question here 60. Now here what H? Here is alpha. Here is beta. Try now. Okay. I hope you got the question right. Exactly previous questions. The previous question 60 meter, here is H. Then instead of 60 here alpha, instead of 45 here beta. Try now. Same idea. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, who all got? Look, if not getting, listen here. So there is no change here. The figure, same figure. Look. Yeah, this one. H here is beta. This is alpha. H here. Okay. First of all, we want cot beta. Cot beta equal to CD divided by H. CD equal to H cot beta. Then tan alpha equal to DC divided by CD. So DC equal to CD into tan alpha. CD we got H cot beta into tan alpha. So this length, this one we got H cot beta into tan alpha. So add both. But while adding H plus H into cot beta tan alpha. So H outside, we got the answer. Okay. Okay. So okay, you got Ronit, he got. Hello. Ronit, you got? Okay. So we'll see next question. Aditi, you got? Harsha. Roshan today absent. Okay. So next question then. Look at here. Two ships are sailing. Next one, star question. Okay. Two ships are sailing. Two ships are sailing in the sea. Two ships are sailing in the sea on either side of the lighthouse. Two ships are sailing in the sea on either side of the lighthouse. On either side of the lighthouse. Once again, two ships are sailing in the sea on either side of the lighthouse. Okay. The angle of depression of the angle of depression the angle of depression of the two ships as observed from the top of the lighthouse are 60 degree and 45 degree are 60 degree and 45 degree are 60 degree and 45 degree. Okay. If the distance between the two ships is 200 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3. 200 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Find the height of the lighthouse. Find the height of the lighthouse. Find the height of the lighthouse. Okay, once again, two ships are sailing in the sea on either side of the lighthouse. The angle of depression, the angles of depression of the two ships as observed from the top of a lighthouse are 60 degree and 45 degree. If the distance between the two ships 200 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3, find the height of the lighthouse. Okay. Don't scared about this number. You'll get a clean answer. Okay. Try now. Okay. Make a figure and explain it and try. Okay. We're all finished. Oh, you want the question again, Roshan? Right? Roshan just now only came, right? You late, Roshan. Question. Question, listen here. Two ships are, look at here, Roshan. Two ships are sailing in the sea on either side of the lighthouse. Two ships are sailing. Two ships are sailing in the sea on either side of the lighthouse. The angle of depression of the two ships as observed from the top of the lighthouse, the angle of depression of the two ships as observed from the top of the lighthouse, are 60 degree and 45 degree, are 60 degree and 45 degree. If the distance between the two ships, if the distance between the two ships is 200 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3, find the height of the ships. Sorry, find the height of the lighthouse. Okay, look at here now. If not getting, listen here. Look, what happened? Look. Okay. Here. This is the C. First ship is here. Second ship is here. This is the lighthouse CD. Height H. The angular depression of the first ship is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Okay. This one 45 degree. This also 45 degree. 45. Distance between this is 200 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3. Okay. Now, what is the question? We have to find out the. You have to find. Look at here. We have to find out the height. Okay. Look at here once again. I'll read. Two ships are sailing in the sea on either side of the lighthouse. Ship number 1 and ship number 2. This is the lighthouse. Okay. The angles of depression of the two ships as observed from the top of the lighthouse are 60 degree and 45 degree. The distance between two ships is 200 into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3. Then find the height of the lighthouse. Okay. First of all, take tan 45. Tan 45 is, you know that tan 45 is 1. So this also h. Okay, what about this one? This distance is 200 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus h. Are you okay now? Because this distance is, the total is 200 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3. This side is h. Okay. Now, tan 60 equal to h divided by 200 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus h. So tan 60 is root 3. H divided by LCM 200 into root 3 plus 1 minus h root 3 divided by root 3 going up. Okay, then this is cancelled. So 1 equal to h divided by 200 into root 3 plus 1 minus h root 3. Okay, after that. Okay, you can see now, right? Then now look at here, 200 into root 3 plus 1 minus h root 3 equal to h. Is h going that side? 200 into root 3 plus 1 equal to h times root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 cancel, h equal to 200. Okay, copy first is a good question. Okay. So finish all. So look at here, for the test, you have to explain, draw figure and explain the question. Okay. Not directly start. Okay. Next question. The angle of elevation of the top and the angle of elevation of the top of a tower the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the same level as the foot of the tower is alpha. Okay, I'll read again. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the same level as the foot of the tower is alpha. Okay. On advancing p meters, p meters towards the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation become beta. Show that the height of the tower is h equal to p into tan alpha tan beta divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay, question again. Listen. Question I'll read. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the level as the foot of the tower is alpha. That means from a ground. The angle of elevation. Listen. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the same level as the foot of the tower is alpha. First line, okay, Sadvik? Okay, once again, I'll read. The angle of elevation of the foot of a tower, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the same level as the foot of the tower is alpha. Second line, on advancing, that means towards the tower, p meters, p Punjab, p meters towards the foot of the tower. On advancing p meters towards the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation become beta. Show that the height h is p into tan alpha tan beta divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay, try now. Okay, we try now. Okay, it's getting or not? Are you getting? Hello? Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay, finish. Okay, so those not getting, listen here. Look. Here, okay, the figure is the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground is alpha. Look, this is the tower. AB is the tower of height h. Then this angle is alpha. See here. Then you start from here, p meters towards beta. Okay, this is the question. Okay, I hope you finish the figure, right? First, the angle of elevation at a point C is alpha. You move to here, then angle of elevation is beta. Then prove that height of the tower is h in p tan alpha tan beta by tan beta minus tan alpha. Look at here. Tan beta equal to h divided by a, b, c, d. Okay. A, b divided by AD. Okay. So AD equal to h by tan beta. Correct or no? Tan beta equal to h by AD. So AD equal to h by tan beta. Then tan alpha equal to h divided by p plus AD. P, this distance here AD. So P plus AD into tan alpha equal to h. I think, or we can make it h. Okay. Look. So P tan alpha plus AD, we got AD what? H by tan beta. Okay, you can substitute now. Can you try now? Okay. The voice issue, some problem there is not getting the clear. It's not getting the connection. Hello. You can hear me or not? Maybe some net problem. Let me check with the other net. Okay, so I'll change the connection now. Okay, let us see now. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? Hello? Okay. So, okay, I'll continue with this question now. Look at here. So you got, okay. So you got tan beta equal to h by AD equal to h by tan beta. Okay, keep it there. Then tan alpha equal to h divided by AC. Okay. So AC equal to h by tan alpha. Okay. Now AD, we got AD, we got AC also. Okay. Now look, AD, AC minus AD, AC minus AD equal to h by tan alpha minus h by tan beta. Tomorrow you see this one. Look at here. Look, first you took tan beta. Tan beta equal to h by AD. AD equal to h by tan beta. Then tan alpha equal to h by AC. AC equal to h by tan alpha. Okay. Now AC minus AD equal to h by tan alpha minus h by tan beta. This is equal to P. H outside 1 by tan alpha plus minus 1 by tan beta. P equal to H, LCM is tan alpha tan beta, here tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay, therefore we got this one. Our requirement is H equal to what? P tan alpha tan beta divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. Okay, is it okay now? Are you okay? Clear now? If anyone want to explain, I'll do again. Okay. Is it okay now? Can hear now? Clear, right? First you find out tan alpha, then tan beta, tan alpha with AD, tan beta AC, then AC minus AD. That is given P. Okay, copy first. Okay, finish or not? Hello, finish. Okay, so we'll try next. Is it okay? Clear all? Okay, so I will try another type question now. Okay. Next one, star question. Okay. So we'll finish today this chapter. Okay, right. Next question. The pilot of an aircraft, the pilot of an aircraft, the pilot of an aircraft, the pilot of an aircraft flying horizontally at a speed of 1200 kilometer per hour. 1200 kilometer per hour. 1200 kilometer per hour. The pilot of an aircraft flying horizontally at a speed of 1200 kilometer per hour. Observe that the angle of depression of a point on the ground, changes from 30 degree to 45 degree. The angular depression of a point on the ground changes from 30 degree to 45 degree in 15 seconds. Find the height at which the aircraft is flying. Once again, the pilot of an aircraft flying horizontally at a speed of 1200 kilometer per hour. Observe that the angular depression of a point on the ground changes from 30 degree to 45 degree in 15 seconds. Find the height at which the aircraft is flying. Okay, try now. We did previous questions. Speed is given, height is given, we found the speed. Here now, speed is given, you have to find the height. Okay, try now. Question, I hope everybody got the question, right? Hello? Anyone want to read the question again? Hello? Okay, then try now. Okay. See, we already discussed aircraft questions with height is given, then we found the speed. Now here speed is given, you have to find the height. Okay. Idea understood now? Speed is given, we have to find the height. Previously we did height is given, we found the speed. This start question, try yourself. Are you getting or not? Hello? Everybody got the answer? Okay, so got? Hello? Everybody got? 6.83. Krishna, maybe that's correct. 6.83 kilometer. What about others? Asta, Amisha. Yeah, that is correct. Amisha, correct. 6.83 kilometer. Okay. First all. Come on, fast. Asmi, you got? Aditya, Ronit, Roshan, Cyril, Kavya. These all guys getting or not? Or I'll do it. If you're trying, I'll wait. Okay, Kavya got 6.83 kilometer. Okay. What about others? Come fast. Okay, look at here now. Those not getting, listen here. Here, this is a star question. Look. The pilot of an aircraft. The pilot of an aircraft is, okay. There's another book. The pilot of an aircraft flying horizontally at a speed of 1,200 kilometers. Okay. Originally, the flight is here at B. It's coming to this direction. Okay. Then there's one at B. The pilot viewed the point in the airport at an angle of elevation. The depression is 30 degrees. Okay. Listen here. Originally, the flight at B. The angular depression of a point C is 30 degrees. Then, after 15 seconds, the angle of depression changes to 45 degrees because elevation is changes increasing. That's why coming to this direction. You reach here, then again the view the angle of depression is 45 degrees. This is 45. This one is 30. Okay. A, B, C, C, D. This is the figure. You all got the figure like this. Hello. You all got the figure. Look at here. Once again, originally the flight at B. That time, pilot viewed the airport at an angle of depression is 30 degrees. Then 15 seconds travel, reach here. Again, viewed the before landing, then viewed the airport at an angle is 45 degrees. Then what is the height? That's the question. Okay. Look, speed of the aircraft from B to C is 1,200 kilometers. Listen, speed of the, you can write like this. Speed of the aircraft is 1,200 kilometers per hour. Time is 15 seconds. So distance traveled equal to speed into time. 1,200 into 15 seconds, convert to hours. 15 divided by 60 into 60. That means hours. This is 5 kilometers. This is 5 kilometers. This is also 5 kilometers. Okay, right like this. Those not getting, right like this. Speed of the aircraft from B to C equal to 1,200 kilometers per hour. Time 15 seconds. Therefore, distance traveled by the aircraft in 15 seconds equal to speed into time 1,200 into 15 divided by seconds 60 into 60. So we got 5 kilometers. Okay. This height is h. This is also h. Tan 45, this is h. Correct or not? CDE. Tan 45 is h by CD. Tan 45 is 1. Okay. So now it is finished. Now look. Tan 30. Okay. Look. Tan 30 equal to h by h plus 5. H by h plus 5. 1 by root 3 equal to h by h plus 5. H plus 5 equal to h root 3. 5 equal to h times root 3 minus 1. H equal to 5 divided by root 3 minus 1. 5 into root 3 plus 1 by 2. 5 into 1.732 plus 1 by 2. You calculate that much kilometer. Okay. Okay, so next question. Is it okay now? Finish all. Hello. Finish. So next one, right? Right. A fire in a building. Right. A fire in a building is reported. The fire. A fire in a building is reported to. TO. Then two fire stations. Two fire stations. Two fire stations A and B. Two fire stations A and B. Once again, a fire in a building is reported to two fire stations, though two fire stations A and B lying on either side of the building. Lying on either side of the building. Lying on either side of the building. Okay. First line, okay, you got it? First line. A fire in a building is reported to two fire stations A and B lying on either side of the building. Okay. The two fire stations are 20 kilometers apart from each other. The two fire stations are 20 kilometers. Two fire stations are 20 kilometers from each other. Two fire stations are 20 kilometers from each other and lie on a straight road. And lie on a straight road. And lie on a straight road. A observe. A station A. A observe that the fire is at an angle of 60 degree. The fire is at an angle of 60 degree to the road. The fire is at an angle of 60 degree to the road. And B observe that it is an angle of 45 degree to the road. It is an angle of 45 degree to the road. Okay. Which station should send its team? Which station should send its team, and how much will this team have to travel? And how much this team will have to travel? Okay, once again, listen all. A fire in a building is reported to where two fire stations A and B lying on either side of the building. Okay, first line clear now. The two fire stations are 20 kilometers apart from each other and lie on a straight road. Then station A observe that the fire is at an angle of 60 degree. 60 degree to the road, and B observe it is at an angle of 45 degree. Then last line, which station should send the team and how much they have to travel? And how much they have to travel? Okay, can you try this one? Okay. Yeah, 60 and 45. 60 and 45. Okay, you try first. If not getting, I'll explain here. Okay. Two questions there is. First is which stations send the team, which is the nearest one. Second one, how much they have to travel. Only which team is going, they only that only you have to find out. First, you have to find out which station is going to settle the fire. Second one, how much they traveled. Station A, okay. To find which station means no need trigonometric idea actually. Okay. Answer I don't have. I don't think meter. Meter no need. Maybe kilometer. Yeah, meter. Okay, okay, okay. There are 20. There are 20 kilometer, right? Or meter. 20 kilometer. Okay. They are 20 kilometer apart. 20 meter. There is no fire station normally. Okay. So look at here. Hello. Maybe are you thinking like this? The fire. Hello. Listen out. The fire on the top of the. Yeah, that is correct. That is correct. That is you can apply that for one mark question. You can answer like that. Okay. Look at here. The main concept is listen here. Maybe you are thinking like this: the fire on the top of a building, one station left side, another is right side. Is it like this? Hello, are you thinking like that? Are you thinking like that or not? Who are all thinking like that? Hey, come on, answer all. Why are you sleeping? Hello, the plan, the fire, the fire on the top of the building. Fire on the top of the building. Okay, one station, one side. Next is another side. Then, which is the nearby that is coming? Right or not? Right? Hey, just respond all. Why is this all? Mozilla, Maidali, Nishi, Parthiv, Pooja, okay, Priyadarshini, Ritika, Roshan, Asta Patel, Kaja, okay, Varsha, The plan understood? Hello, the plan okay or not? We can take the fire in the middle with the station on either side. No, that's not middle. Okay. Okay, look at here. Actually, that's a wrong plan. Listen, what you planned all wrong. It's not like that. Maybe. Okay. It's not like that. Listen here now. Imagine, you know, road number 30, right? Hello, answer, you respond active. Road number 30, okay? Then, Abu Alifa, Fahel, Shoiba Road. Okay. Imagine in your mind. Okay. Abu Alifa, Shoiba, Abu Alifa, Fahel, Shoiba, State Road. Okay. Then, the fire at Ahmadi, maybe in your school. Okay. Fire at Ahmadi. Okay or not? Okay. Ahmadi somewhere in a building, maybe top or first floor or second floor, like that. Okay. First of all, the fire stations have to reach there. Then they'll allocate which floor and all. They use the ladder and all. Okay. This is the situation. Don't think about the fire on the top of the building and one left side and right side. They travel in air. They are super Spider-Man. It's not like that. Okay. Listen. From Abu Alifa, one station A, Abu Alifa. Station B, Shoiba. Abu Alifa team, they can view the fire at an angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Okay. Look at here now. Look. Okay. Imagine this way. Okay. Look. This is our road number 30 road. Okay. A, Abu Alifa. Now Fahel. This is Shoiba road. Shoiba. This is the Fahel DPS road, that NBC head office and that road. Okay. Okay. Before listen, before you thought fire on the top, the guys are going like this, like a Superman, like this also. It's not like that. Okay. And here Abu Alifa, there is a road from Abu Alifa to Ahmadi, straight road there is, correct or no? Right? How FD, okay, V here. Okay, how Abu Alifa team, Abu Alifa guys, he goes to school, how will go? You come to Fahel and going? Hello. How Abu Alifa guys is going to school? Fahel Road, they come to here, they're going to here, and here they're going like this. They can go direct, correct or no? They can go direct from here to here, direct way. This way, correct? Yeah, direct Ahmadi they can go. No need to come to Fahel and all. Okay. Shoiba guys, they don't want to come to here and go to the straight. There's a lot of traffic there is. Here one traffic. Then before NBC head office, there's a traffic. And near the head office also another traffic there is. They can avoid that all. Direct, they can go. Okay, this is the way. Okay, imagine now, listen here. Listen again. The fire, listen. The fire at DPS. Okay, they reported. Okay, usually when we call the fire stations, they get all the stations. You know that when you call what's the number 112, right? What's the number? Hello, what is the number? Fire number is what? 112 or 101? Anyway, you have no idea. Okay, when you call, they have a network. The information that gets all the nearby stations. Okay, the fire, listen, this question, the fire at Ahmadi, okay, maybe first floor, second floor, or third floor, or on the top of the building. First of all, the fire team supposed to reach there on the spot. Okay, then only they decide how will reach the top of the building. Okay, so the fire reported at B. Abolifa team, the Abolifa team, oh, at A and B here. Our question is B here. Okay, so this is another point C. Okay, the Abolifa team viewed the fire at an angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, this guy's elevation is 45 degree. Okay, okay. Now straight one question: which team is going? You know, you studied last year. Angle opposite to greater angle is longer. Correct or no? The sides, listen. The sides opposite to greater angle is longer. You studied or not? Last year. The sides opposite to greater angle is longer. Correct or not? You studied or not? Hello. Right? The sides of not faster, Krishna. It depends on the nearby. Okay. So here 45 degree is less. So AC is less than BC. So which station is going? Which station is going? Station A is going, not B. B not going. Now we have to calculate that one. Okay, I'll answer in trigonometric way. Look at here now. Listen here now. Sine 60 equal to CF divided by AC. Okay, so CF equal to AC into sine 60, number one. Sine 45 equal to CF divided by BC. CF equal to BC into sine 45, number two. Okay, look, in triangle AFC, sine 60 equal to CF by AC. So CF equal to this length equal to AC into sine 60. Sine 45 equal to CF by BC. CF equal to BC sine 45. Here CF, this also CF. 1 and 2, AC into sine 60 equal to, okay, BC sine 45. Okay. Look at here. Sine 0 is what? Sine 0 is what? 1. Sine 0, 0. Sine 90. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 90, 1. Okay. That means the degree is increasing. Sine value is increasing. Correct or no? When the degree increasing, sine value is increasing. Not like cos. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 90 is 0. Okay. So that means sine 60 is greater than sine 45. Correct or no? Sine 60 is greater than sine 45. Okay, what about then AC? What about AC then? If it is sine 60 increasing, AC also increasing, it's never equal. You remember last year you learned this one. If the speed of the car is increasing, time is what? Decreasing. This part come up, this also will be less. Then only make it equal. Correct or no? Since sine 60 greater than sine 45, AC less than BC. Therefore, team A is going. This way is a trigonometric way to answer it. Okay, now we write down. Sine 60, right, I'll give the note. Sine 60 equal to CF by AC. Sine 60 equal to CF by AC. Therefore, CF equal to AC into sine 60. AC into sine 60. Then sine 45 equal to CF by BC. Then CF equal to BC into sine 45. From 1 and 2 we get AC sine 60. AC sine 60 AC sine 60 equal to BC sine 45. BC sine 45. Okay, then since sine 60 greater than sine 45, since sine 60 greater than sine 45, AC less than BC, AC less than BC. Therefore, station A supposed to go to the settle the file. Okay. If it is one more question, no need this much idea. You can directly write since 60 is which angle greater, that is longer side. Okay. Now, second part of the question is we have to calculate the distance. Which distance you have to find out? AC you have to find out, not BC. Why not BC? Roshan. Hello, Roshan, you're here or not? Or studying SST? I think Roshan studying SST. Hello. Close the book, man. SST, later study. Okay. Hello, Roshan, sleeping? Hello. Okay, you're studying SST also, right? Okay. So now look at here. Look. Now, which station? What you have to calculate? AC you have to calculate, right or no? AC, we have to calculate it. Why not calculating BC? What is the answer? Why not calculating BC? What is the answer? Hello, Krishna. What is the answer? This one. We are calculating AC only. Why not calculating BC? AC is closer than, yeah, AC is closer means they didn't go, no. Come on, man. B didn't go. Then why should we calculate it? They're still there. They didn't go. So we are going to calculate AC. Come on. Look at here now. AF, no, come on, Kaushik. We don't want to find AF. Why? They're going direct here. Come on. Don't think they're traveling to here. Okay, listen. That's my question. Kaushik, you are saying Abu Ali for where you are staying? Mangaf. Okay. Mangaf. Okay. You, how are you going to your school? Coming to Fahel and going? Hey, we can go direct to Ahmadino. Just cross the road number 30 and you'll reach, right? You don't want to come to Fahel, right? Why you want to come? You can directly go. See, Abu Alifa guys. Abu Alifa from who are all Abu Alifa here? From Abu Alifa, you can go direct to DPS. In order to come to Fahel, Satwik, correct or no? Okay, suppose Satwik here. Every day he coming to Fahel, the Mangaf signal, and going to this road. No, they can go direct here. So we don't want to calculate AF and CF. No, we don't want to find out that. We are finding only AC only. Okay. Now look at here. This AC. Look, AC now we are going to connect with the AB because AB is given here. Okay. So now look at here. Cos 60. Don't write now. Cos 60 equal to AF divided by AC. Okay. So AF equal to AC into cos 60. AF equal to AC into cos 60. Number 3. Then tan 45 equal to CF divided by BF. So CF equal to BF. Okay. Look at here. So CF and BF equal. So equal to what? BC into, we don't want BC, we want here AC sine 60. Number 4. Look, now listen here. We connected now this side with this one, this side with this one. Right or no? Look, cos 60 AF by AC. We got AF equal to AC cos 60. Tan 45 1, this equal to this one. Therefore, BF equal to AC sin 60. Look here, AC sin 60. CF equal to CF, we got BF. Now 3 plus 4. What will get? AF plus BF equal to AC outside cos 60 plus sin 60. This one is given. AF plus BF is 20. 20 equal to AC into 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. Okay. Okay, right up to here. Okay, right up to here. Then if you want, you can calculate also. Okay, do now. Okay, what's the answer? Final answer what? You copy it now? So here now, 20 equal to AC into 1 plus root 3 divided by 2. So 40 equal to AC into root 3 plus 1. AC equal to 40 divided by root 3 plus 1. That is 40 into root 3 minus 1 by 2. So 20 into 1.732 minus 1. Calculate that one. 14.34 kilometer. So this chapter is going to finish now. Now some revision questions only. Okay, so finish now, right? Okay, complete fast. Okay, so next question, right? Right. The length of a shadow, the length of a shadow of a tower, the length of the shadow of a tower, the length of the shadow of a tower, the length of the shadow of a tower, standing on level ground, standing on level ground, is found to be, is found to be 2x meters, is found to be 2x meters, 2x meters longer, 2x meters longer when the sun's altitude, the sun's altitude is 30 degree than, is 30 degree than when it was 45 degree. Once again, the length of a, the length, the length of a shadow, the length of the shadow of a tower standing on level ground is found to be 2x meters longer when the sun altitude is 30 degree than when it was 45 degree. When it was 45 degree. Prove that the height of the tower is x into root 3 plus 1. Height of the tower is x into root 3 plus 1 meters. Prove that height of the tower is x into root 3 plus 1 meters. Okay. Okay, try now. Once again, the length of a shadow of a tower standing on level ground is found to be 2x meters longer when the sun altitude is 30 degree than 45 degree. Find the length of the shadow is x into root 3 plus 1 meters. Okay, try now. Okay, try now. Okay, anybody got? Okay. So rest all guys. Okay, finish. So we'll see next one. Hello, anyone have problem with this question? Not getting. Okay, Roshan, listen here. The question is what? Okay, the question is. Look, here, the length of the shadow of a tower. Okay, this is the ground. Shadow length is tower is here, h. Okay, the length of the shadow of a tower standing on level ground is found to be 2x meters longer when sun altitude is 30 degree than 45 degree. Okay, originally look at here. When this 45 degree, here is 45 degree, this is 45, here 45. Okay, assume that height is h, here also h. Now, the angle is decreasing, shadow is increasing. Okay, how much increased? 2x meter. This is 30 degrees. So this is 2x. This is the figure. You have to mark it first angle here, then opposite angle, then alternate angles. Don't directly write here 45 because the thing sun on the F. A, B, C, E, D here. Okay, then tan 30, simple. H by 2x plus h. 1 by root 3 equal to h by 2x plus h. So 2x plus h equal to h root 3. So 2x equal to h times root 3 minus 1. X equal to x equal to h. Okay. Oh, I forgot that. X equal to h. We can substitute that. No. Yeah, correct. Okay. So x equal to correct or no? X equal to h into root 3 minus minus divided by 2. It's wrong. Something wrong? What did you find out? Okay, sorry. H only you find. H equal to 2x by root 3 minus 1. So that means 2x into root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 cancel. X into root 3 plus 1. Okay, right first. Okay. Okay, Roshan, okay. I can confuse here. But you have to find x or h. You have to find h. So that means h equal to x by root 3 plus 1, then rationalizing. Okay. Okay. So next question, try this one. The angle of elevation, right? The angle of elevation of the top of a chimney. The angle of elevation of the top of a chimney the angle of elevation of the top of a chimney. Chimney means what? CHIMNEY. What is that? The angle of elevation of the top of a chimney from the foot of a tower. Yes, from the foot of a tower. From the foot of a tower is 60 degree. From the foot of a tower is 60 degree. And the angle of depression, the angle of depression to the foot of the chimney, to the foot of the chimney, to the foot of the chimney from the top of the tower, from the top of the tower, from the top of the tower is 30 degree. Okay. Question again. The angle of, listen, the angle of elevation of the top of a chimney from the foot of a tower is 60 degree. And the angle of depression of the foot of the chimney from the top of the tower is 30 degree. Okay. This line okay? Hello. The angle of, listen, the angle of elevation of the top of a chimney from the foot of a tower is 60 degree, and the angle of depression of the foot of the chimney from the top of the tower is 30 degree. Okay. If the height of the tower is 40 meter, height of the tower is 40 meter, then find the height of the chimney. Then find the height of the chimney. Then find the height of the chimney. Okay, try now. Okay, getting or not? The angle of elevation of the top of a chimney from the foot of a tower is 60 degree. And the angle of depression of the foot of the chimney from the top of the tower is 30 degree. Height of the tower is 40, then find the height of the chimney. Yes, yes. Check again, is it correct or not? Okay. Look. Here, this is the ground. AB, the ground. Tower here, AC. Okay, you can see. Look. A, B, AC the tower, 40 meter. Then chimney here, C, D. From here, this angle is 60 degree. Here is 30 degree. Okay. Now you type tan 30, 40 divided by AB. So 1 by root 3 equal to 40 divided by AB. AB equal to 40 root 3. This is 40 root 3. Then tan 60 equal to H divided by 40 root 3. H tan 60 root 3. Root 3 equal to H by 40 root 3. Therefore, H equal to 120. Yes, 120 meter. Correct. H equal to 120 meter. We're all got. Chimney is 120 meter. Okay. So this chapter is finished now. Okay. Okay. Copy fast all. So now we finished the applications. So next one, I hope we can start similar triangle. Okay. Gulf Indian we finished already, but revision. Okay. Tomorrow's test is based on first 25 questions of applications. Bhavan's no need to write. You can prepare your test questions. Okay. Now I'm stopping now. You can study SST now. Okay. DPS guys, you can prepare your SST. Okay. Okay. This is enough today.